What if I told you that thousands of years ago, someone had already discovered electricity, long before Tesla, Edison, or even Benjamin Franklin? In the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, archaeologists found a mysterious jar, one that could change everything we know about human history. It's called the Baghdad Battery, and it might prove that an ancient civilization had access to advanced technology we can barely explain today. In 1938, Wilhelm Koenig, a German archaeologist working in Iraq, uncovered a strange clay jar near modern-day Baghdad. At first glance, it looked like ordinary pottery, but inside, he found a copper cylinder and an iron rod, sealed with bitumen. More intriguingly, traces of vinegar or wine residue were detected inside, pointing to a chemical reaction. What was this? A ritual object? A container? The real answer shocked the world. Scientists later recreated it and discovered it could produce up to 1 volt of electricity. Suddenly, this ancient artifact became one of the most controversial discoveries in archaeological history. Let's break it down. When an acid like vinegar interacts with copper and iron, it creates a basic electrochemical reaction, a working galvanic cell. Modern tests showed that the Baghdad battery was capable of delivering a small but steady voltage. This isn't accidental. It's technology 2,000 years before its time. What's even more mind-blowing is that similar devices were found in clusters, suggesting mass production or systemized use. One of the most accepted theories is that these batteries were used for electroplating, coating objects like jewelry with thin layers of gold or silver. Evidence of this process has been found in nearby regions, and the technique requires only a small, steady current, the kind the Baghdad battery could easily produce. Imagine ancient craftsmen using electricity to enhance their artwork, a lost science hidden in plain sight. Then come the theories that historians avoid. Some suggest the Baghdad battery was part of a larger energy system, used for purposes far beyond electroplating. Ancient astronaut theorists believe it may have powered primitive lights in temples or even communicated signals across distances. Even if that seems far-fetched, the fact remains: the knowledge to build an electric cell existed. Could it have been passed down from an even older, advanced civilization, the one lost to time? So why isn't this in every history book? Because it doesn't fit the standard narrative. Mainstream archaeology assumes a linear progression of technology, stone tools to metal to electricity to modern tech. But the Baghdad battery disrupts that. It suggests either that ancient people independently discovered electrical principles, or that they inherited knowledge from an earlier age of lost science. Either way, it challenges the academic status quo. It's not the only ancient anomaly. From the Dendera light bulb in Egypt to the mechanical Antikythera device in Greece, history is full of clues that ancient people understood physics, mechanics, and maybe even energy in ways we're only now beginning to rediscover. Could we be living in the second cycle of human technological progress? Whether it was used for rituals, electroplating, or something far more advanced, the Baghdad battery proves one thing: our ancestors were far more intelligent and innovative than we give them credit for. And maybe, just maybe, we're not the first civilization to flirt with the power of electricity. If this changed how you see ancient history, give it a like and share it with someone who still thinks ancient people were primitive. Subscribe and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, do you think ancient civilizations had lost technology or lost help?